Hey, round two, and these two, Tamiya and a Kyosho, both brushed and stock. Okay, on go. 1, 2, 3, go. The Kyosho's way faster, but the Tamiya, which is John, has more experience racing. But Bruno is doing good right now. It's like his 5th or 6th race here. So he's doing real good. And the Tamiya is coming. But Bruno did not make any mistake on this race. Oh, no, he did. I spoke too soon. Second lap, last lap. Can the Tamiya catch up? Is Bruno going to make a mistake again? Come on, Bruno, screw up. And the winner. Oh, the Tamiya's not far back. But keep in mind, we want stock, which means stock pinion, whatever the car comes with, and that's what it came with. So